Fairmount Home, they actually opened in 1968, so it's been 55 years now. And we have cottages, apartments, we have 2 personal care homes, and our healthcare center, which is our skilled nursing and rehab. So the first floor will just be some renovating, like a facelift, replacing carpet and things like that. And then even when you come in at the entrance, we're going to redo the visitor's desk so that it's more visitor friendly. It'll be out there a little bit more and not back in a cubby hole. And then the biggest part of the project will be upstairs on the 2nd floor. It is too overwhelming for a lot of our residents who are living with dementia upstairs. So we would like to make 2 households so that we have with their own dining, their own activities, their own living area. So it's not so overwhelming, there's not a lot of people. Oh, I think it's going to provide a much better life for our residents, especially those living with dementia. This is a good way just to have it be more personalized. I'm most excited for our team members, what they will learn and how they will take ownership of the households. We are going to also incorporate a quiet room, or what some people call a snoozling room, where our residents can go, and there's might be aromatherapy or things that they can watch that are calming. So I'm also excited about that.